Hi guys, it's me Ha-chan. Welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to cook delicious Japanese rice. Cooking good delicious rice is essential for Japanese meal. Without that, all the good meal is ruined. So it is very important. And buy short grain high quality rice from Asian market or Japanese grocery market. That's I recommend it. 皆さんこんにちは。今日はですね、当たり前なんですけれども、ご飯の美味しい炊き方というものをですね、紹介していきたいと思います。There is some tool or pot we use. One is very popular to use clay pot, and the other one is the regular pot or cast iron pot. I recommend to use cast iron pot. The last one I show you is Japanese rice cooker.This is no mistake to cook rice, but however, there's some key to make better rice. So I will show you how to cook it. Let's get started. Good. Lunch is ready. いただきます。